Another thing that's new in the big switch is this 40, build the ISO local again. So again, of course, we're going to set our parameters. LTS is out. Line is gone. This is development to the right. So this is the normal to the left. No LTS anymore, so we don't need to choose how to get an LTS ISO. There is no LTS ISO. There is an ISO. And you choose, I want to have NVIDIA, I want to have LTS on the ISO. So less ISOs. Very good, right? Then, what's the difference between this one and the other one? This line. In this line, we say yes to sudo pacman -scc, which means clean our cache. So when you're on narrow bandwidth or you have problems with internet, so you don't have access like 2 GB every day for downloads, and say that's all too much, you can keep your packages locally, right? And then I just suggest one thing: do one cleanup. So first start with a clean slate and then get all the packages in and keep the packages for a while, right? And you decide what is a while. So this line here has a hashtag, so it's not going to clean out your cache folder, the var cache pacman. You check it out, it's filled with packages. And it means if the package is already local available, then Arch ISO will say, oh, it's here, why should I download it? So it's gonna well, spare your bandwidth a little bit. So that's new script number 40. Okay, the rest is okay, so we'll save, and that's another change we've done.